We'll go ahead and turn Josh down as well. All right, well, here we go. Let's go ahead and go ahead and cover our watch list today. Now, what we are watching is IO. I think this right out of the gate is probably the best thing that we can do, or best thing that we can watch, excuse me. Now, we have IO that closed yesterday at 36 cents. We are gapping up to 74 cents with a high of 86 cents. Now, I think we can absolutely capitalize on this move, possibly for a downtrend break here. I don't like that we have very light volume, so I'm not going to take it. Plus, it's pre-market, so it's a little bit uneasy. I'm just not a fan of it. IO is gapping up over 100% today. Now, the average is 3.1 million in volume, and today they have 14.6 million in volume. So almost a 5x relative volume with a 25 million float. So this hits all of our criteria, and the news that comes with this, let's see. Secures 5-year contract with Shell Petroleum for digital management of marine to manage marine logistics. So they got a 5-year contract with Shell. So that's good. IO, that's great. Good morning, Yasmin. How you doing? Hope you had a wonderful day yesterday. Hey, and today's a holiday. I'm surprised the stock market's open on a holiday. Guys, this would have been a good downtrend break. Buy the close off VWAP, catch 2 cents. Boom, you're scalping it. Pop over there. Sell into that resistance. There we go. I like IO. I also want to keep a watch on WINT. WINT closed yesterday at $1, ripped up to $1.55. It's just been trading sideways. Positive top-line data from, I don't even know how to say that, study to treat cardiogenic shock. So, I mean, that's WINT. ALVR. Well, WINT has an average of 100,000 in volume with a 10 million in float. So this looks like a 10x. Maybe even this a 10x would be, this looks like a 100x relative volume. Honestly, this looks like a 100x relative volume, because they have 10 million in float, or 10 million shares traded today, and that's a lot for this company. I'm looking in the past. I don't see any other time that this company's ever traded that many shares. Yes, we also have CRXT for the possible move higher. Let's see if we can hold this 165. Now, CRXT is gapping up 20% with 5 million in volume today with an average of 3. So it's not really a 2x. This is on the back burner, I should say. Not really news. Oh, wait. Therapeutic shares advance in pre-market trading ahead of. Not really too sure. They don't really have any company-specific news. So I am going to keep that on the back burner. We also have CELZ. Get a nice pop off the 200 SMA. Announces progress in developing a reproducible clinical grade of the company's products. So they got good news, but I'm not really a huge fan of it at the moment. BRQS gapping up 20%, 20 million in volume today, 14 million in volume average with a 130 million float. So this thing can move, but this thing can also, excuse me. But I'm going to do it more as a back burner. I think my top stock to watch right out of the gate is going to be IO. Now, I like this cup and handle for the possible break here. I really like this cup and handle. Your stops would have to be below, really, 7.4. You could be looking to. I don't trust it. Your stops would be at 7.7 or 7.75. Your stops have to be below 7.74. Excuse me. And then you might be able to see a pop, and there's the volume coming in. I just didn't trust it off the VWAP, and that's why I didn't trust it. And we'll see what happens here. We'll see if the buyers can actually take it over and keep it above this trend line. CRXT, we got All right, CRXT has some news. First, FDA approved oral soft gel for testosterone replacement therapy. So, not bad, pretty good. There's the close, pretty strong close. We're just sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity. Now we also have CELZ getting a nice pop with a doji candle here. This doesn't necessarily mean that we're bullish. This is just where buyers and sellers are indecisive at this moment. CRXT is getting a nice pop. So I mean, we're back above the 200-day moving average. That's good. That's a good sign. We have IO as well. That is also. Hold on, I gotta fix my time axis. There it is. Yeah, I just didn't trust it. I mean, this could still be a flag. We could still be popping up, but I just still don't trust it. We're right in the 90 EMA on the 5-minute, and we're right above VWAP at the moment. Let's see if we can hold this. Excuse me. Good morning. Netflix is up or down. No idea. When you think you're a pro having 4 screens, hey, I like having 4 screens. It helps. You don't need it, but I like to have them. Yeah, I'm not too sure. I'm not Netflix. I mean, I like trading stocks that have news, that have a catalyst of moving. Not really large caps like Netflix. All right, so we are again just chilling, sitting on our hands. Market move is absolutely moving. See where it is at 1243. Again, the volume. If we break over over 13, I can see it's coming all the way up to 15, 16 for market move. I forget you can't see this. This is a cryptocurrency that I'm invested in. I like it because I was able to capitalize on this wedge right here, and my entry price is about right here. I think on this candle or down here. But we got the breakout, got some volume. And this is also a hyper deflationary token. If we actually go ahead and look at the market move Etherscan or Binance scan, we can see that 5 hours ago burned almost half a million, over half a million, over half a million. So we got, I'm just gonna say half a million. So we got 1 million and 2 million, 3 million tokens burned in one day. 3 million tokens burned in one day. I don't know if that just screams bullish to me. And then another over 1.5 million tokens burned. I mean, they're averaging probably 2 million a day, maybe more. 2 million a day. I mean, that's, and it's just gonna get more and more. It's gonna get faster and faster when more people start using the network. There was the liquidation, liquidated everybody, and then pulled back. Again, guys, I'm really just sitting on my hands. I don't like anything. Why would I be trading something? I do like ALVR, but I'm not looking to trade it yet. Oh, excuse me. All right. I mean, I don't like anything, guys. We're just, again, trading's boring, trading's risky. Always stick to your hands or sit on your hands and just kind of just let the trade come to you. Don't force a trade. Let the trade come to you. We have around 4 minutes and 20 seconds left until the market is open. Alrighty, alrighty, alright. Here we go. 3. I think I'm going to be looking for IO out of the gate. I think I'm going to be looking at IO right out of the gate. Possibly for a washout to eventually try to catch like maybe 5-10 cents. If I can catch 5-10 cents, that would be absolutely amazing. Now, what does IO do in the past when it gaps up? Gaps up, runs, and then dumps for the rest of the day. Gaps up, runs, and then gives the rest back. Gaps up, runs, gaps up, runs. So it looks like it likes to gap up and run. Gap up, run for Ion. So I might be looking for a nice washout long here for possibly around 74. We'll be looking for a nice quick pop here. Get in around 74, sell into 0.8. Stops would be below 72. You're risking around 40 bucks. But you'd be risking around 40 bucks. But it doesn't, I don't know. We'll see. I might have to risk a little bit more than that because I'm not really seeing the perfect setup here. I mean, I don't think I'm going to trade it if I don't see the perfect setup. I think my stops are going to be below 72, below these previous lows. And so I don't want to risk more than really 2 cents. So I have to buy within this zone here. If I can get in this zone, that is well within my risk management. I'm going to go ahead and move this down just a little bit more, just to give me a little bit more breathing room. And then my stops are going to be on this. What is this? Oh. And my stops are going to be right here below. We have 1 minute left. Be looking for a nice bounce into here, and then a nice reversal back up into this 76 area. If I can get in at 73, that would be ideal. Looking for a nice move higher, back up above open into around 0.8. Then I'd be looking to sell and take profits as this continues to move higher. Here we go. Let's see how tight these spreads are. Looking for a washout on IO right out of the gate. It's not moving, not getting a lot of action. A lot of sellers at 76. They start getting taken out. I don't want to. I want to see it pull back more. If it doesn't pull back into my entry zone, I'm not going to. I'm not going to risk it. Oh, there was a lot of volume coming in there. There was a lot of volume coming into that one. I don't even know what happened there. I don't like this. TD Ameritrade's lagging. I don't like it. Getting some volume starting to come in here. Oh, there was a washout, but I didn't trust it. I did not trust it. But we are getting that same amount of volume, or almost. Let's see. About half. This has been a great entry. You've been up 2 cents a share, but just I wasn't liking it. We have CRXT. What's IO doing? Yeah, guys, that would have been a perfect washout long strategy, but I just didn't trust it. CASA? I like IO. Guys, I missed that amazing washout long strategy, which is all good. See a pullback here. No, I wasn't able to jump in. My stops are below 75. Man, I couldn't jump in there. That would have been... Man, I wasn't able to capitalize on it. I wanted to jump in, but just did not get filled. CRXT gave everything back. I want to see a pullback here. I don't want to see it break 76, but I do want to see it. I do want to see it pull back a little bit more. I can't enter here. This would have been a great trade if I entered down here, but I wasn't able to. And it looks like it's going to continue to rip. Just didn't want to. It just didn't get filled on. I looked to buy the bid, and I just didn't get filled. We crack this level, we're most likely going to rip up even higher. There it is. That's unfortunate. I was looking to get right into there, but looking for ALVR. Looking forward to break over 7-2, but just got rug pulled. God. All right, so it's unfortunate I wasn't able to get. I missed 2 trades on IO. I was too hesitant to buy the washout long, and I was too hesitant to buy the pullback. Or I wasn't too hesitant. I just used the wrong order. I used buy the bid instead of a market order, so I didn't get filled. I was being too greedy with not wanting to get any other bad fills, and that happens. So I mean, guys, right now I think CASA dumped to the downside, which I think Josh has a position on it. I think Josh has a position on CASA. Oh man, yeah, that was a fat candle to the downside. From 6.6 down to 6.2. 40 cents. I think IO, if we break over pre-market high at like 85, I could definitely see us ripping up to $1. I want to see volume start to increase here. I want to see volume start to increase. Might have room back up to, oh yeah, there's the volume. Totally missed it though. Just out of nowhere, just absolutely. I mean, we're above the 50 SMA now. Honestly, I would like to see this continue to move. ALVR, halt. Looking at all eyes on ALVR. We have a bid at 40. I think that's a fluke order. That's probably a fake order, so don't We have bids of 780. 780. So I like that. 785. So they're willing to pay more. We have asks at 408. We're going to see what happens. We're going to see if we can actually capitalize on this. We have ALVR at 993. Sorry. What? ALVR halted at 939.19, meaning we are going to be live at 944.19. ALVR unhalted 949.19. All right, that's good to know. So at 944.19, I'm gonna be looking to catch like 15 cents. If I can catch 15 cents, that would be ideal. And anything more than that, it's good. So let's see. We have IO. I'm glad I looked away from that because it broke the low and it looks like it's about to continue lower. He's looking for a 1750 level. What? Not the halt strategy? Okay. Okay. We're going to be live here in around 2 minutes. Hola. Hola. Oh, excuse me. Ugh. We have BRQS is also rebounding here. ALVR. All right, guys, we're going to be live here in 1 minute. We are going to be live in 1 minute. Here we go. All right, guys, here we go. 15 seconds. Let's see a nice washout. Again, we have a fake bid at 40 bucks. Fake bid at 40, I believe. Shit. I wasn't able to capitalize on it. No, oh my goodness. That would have been a great trade. It's going to continue to move. I wanted to get in down there, but just wasn't quick enough. Really high volume on this candle. Hmm. Think we're gonna crack lower. I do think we're gonna crack lower. We did. We also have a buy off 123. If we can get a nice dip off this area. Okay, there's the break lower. Hmm. I missed the entry at 755. I'm just too hesitant today. Which is okay. CLZ, CELZ, back above VWAP, reclaiming. ALVR as well, back up towards 8. That would have been a great trade. Nice pivot low, increasing volume. I like it. Be careful for some sellers coming into this area. Decreasing volume. Be careful. That was my chance, but I didn't want to get in. I did not trust the setup. Guys, I've made 0 trades on the day. We have CELZ. I think top stock now is CELZ. There would have been a good trade, but I mean, it's not really moving how we want it to. Might have room up to 270 potentially. Want to see decreasing volume pullback here. Let's see a pullback. I want to see one more. I want to see more of a pullback here. Decreasing volume. My stops have to be below 2.5. My stops are below 250. I'm risking around 7 cents right now, 8 cents right now, for the possible chance to gain 20, 25. I'm in with 250 shares, risking 5 cents. What? What? Are you kidding me? What is this? TD Ameritrade. What the fuck are you doing? What? I'm sick and tired of TD Ameritrade's fills. This is terrible. Oh my god. What the hell? See, this is stupid. Very stupid. I placed an order and I only got filled with like tried to buy 250 shares. I got filled with 37. That'd have been I would have 6x that P&L. Plus, I would have scaled in on the break of 2.6 for the pop up to 2.7, and I would have caught that other. TD Ameritrade. Yeah, it's so unfortunate. I mean, what? That was literally only 37 times 2.5. That was a 5% trade. I mean, from 254 to 267. That was 5%. If I could have won it with my whole position, that would have been over. That would have been like $70. I know. What the fuck? TD Ameritrade is tripping. It's. I don't see anything. WBEV. Not looking good. Possible double bottom here. LLAP. Okay, I like it. Announces price target of 10. ALVR. I like this volume. We're getting kind of absorbing the selling pressure. Spreads are tight. I think I'm just going to use a market order for my. I think stops would be below 735 at the moment. I want to see a pullback down to 766. I'm going to scale in with a little bit of my position. I like this decreasing volume. We have 30 seconds left till this candle closes. Let's see what happens here. I like ALVR for the possible break back up over 8 into retest this previous high at 813. Oh man, wasn't able to actually get that. I want to see one more. Yeah, so I am looking for a nice potential flag here. I want to see it pull back a little bit more before it rips, but it looks like it's going to continue to rip. I mean, I'm not looking to buy here. We have decreasing volume. We are slowing down. We can see that the sellers are pulling us down, but we still have a little bit more buyers. Let's see if we can extract all the sellers out of this market here. Let's see if we can extract all the sellers out of this market. I'm not a huge fan of it because we broke the low. Hmm. We have increasing volume confirming the selling pressure. LLLAP. Here we go. Holy shit. Halt level to the upside, guys. It looks like we might get halted to the upside. Let's see if we start to get halted here. Let's see if we start to get halted. Looking for the halt. Looking for the halt. Oh. Looking for a dip trade, possibly. Looking for a dip down at... We're coming into some resistance on the 20 EMA on the daily here. Break over this. We're going up to $8. See decreasing volume pullback down to like 620. That's a nice area of support. It's not the best area, but we do have very light selling pressure, which is what I like to see. I really like to see that, actually. Oh, don't break yet. I know you want to come down just a little bit more, but if you do, I'm probably going to trade you for the halt. I know you want to pull back just a little bit more. Oh, shit. Getting very light volume. RSI is pretty high. We had people selling here. But people weren't looking to. People may be looking to short sell off the 20 EMA off the daily. If we can break through this, I don't see us having any problem going up to 750 and $8. I don't see any problem at all. Hmm. All right, let's see a quick pullback here. That pivot low. Spreads are pretty thick. Too hesitant. Too hesitant. Fuck. Guys, I know I'm too hesitant. I've been telling myself all day. Which is fine. I mean, I'm recognizing it. Looking for a quick dip. A quick dip and rip. Oh, man. Don't want to chase it. I don't want to chase it. Oh shit, Netflix is down 36%. Woo! BBTS. Today is not my day, guys. I'm not in the zone. Let's see it rip up and start getting halted. See it start ripping up. Let's see it get a dip. See it continue to rip here. Let's see it start to get halted. There it is. There's the pop. 708, 708. Let's see. Coming into sellers at 7. Coming to some sellers at 7. Let's see a pullback. Might be looking to halt level at 709. People are selling at the halt level. They don't want to get stuck in the halt. Let's see this start to get, this better start to get halted here. Why isn't this not getting halted? The halt level up says it's at 712, but if we're past that. I'm just looking at the bid. That would have been a nice trade off. 704. Let's see this start to get halted here. It's not looking like it wants to get halted. This thing does not want to get halted. This thing just continues to rip. People are selling. No halt. Wow. Yeah, I was looking for I was looking to see stacking, and I was going to jump in for the halt. But I mean, hey, shit happens. It never stops. IBM, are you Cole from Alpha Day Trading Chat? Yes, I am. I am. All right, guys, looking for the halt at 750. 756, it says. I mean, we're starting to stack, but it just doesn't look like the buying pressure's there. And it just, I don't want to chase it. This was a dollar move. I like to jump in with 100 shares, possibly. I'm going to cancel it. Now it's getting halted, but we're losing buying pressure, and there's no one trying to short sell this. This would have been a great trade off here. Just didn't want to chase it because my first entry was down here. I mean, this JD, what's up? What's up? We are currently looking at LLAP. Halted at 10:09:37:39. We're gonna be live at 10:14:39. All right. I mean, my entries have been just dog shit lately. Hmm. We have bids at 750. We're gonna be live in around 2 minutes. Be live here in around 40 seconds. Oh, man. All right. Thank you guys for the likes. We're at 1,000 likes. We're looking to trade LLAP out of the halt. We do have some resistance at 8. Next target past 8 is going to be 880 and then 960. We have the 50 SMA at 50. The 50 SMA on the daily chart is at 873. We're going to be live here in around 10 seconds. Here we go. There it is. No! Shit! Ugh! I meant to click join the ask. That's so unfortunate. Fuck me. Alright, well, I'm done because I gotta review that and understand what I did wrong. Fuck me. That is so unfortunate, guys. I just got antsy and fucking wasted so much money. Not even that much. I'm just in a pissy mood now because you know what? I got anxious. You know, emotions really can take over. And that's what happened here. On a 62, 90, 98. I got to take full responsibility for that because I bought at the top. All right, I'm getting off. I'm going to go ahead and review this. Thank you for stopping in, Yasmin. I will see you bright and early tomorrow. As always, have a trade plan. I didn't have a trade plan. I just kind of jumped in there. Didn't mean to jump in. I meant to join the ask. I was looking for a nice, quick, wash out long strategy, but just didn't get it. So, peace.